Yeah. And your mother was a veterinarian, so you got to learn about bitches.
Yeah. Ha ha,
You get
you're
it?
killing it, you're killing it.
Oh no. So you were very, and I got to commend you on this, and actually, maybe even thank you for this. You were very insistent about coming on the show again.
Oh, absolutely. I find,
May I ask why?
for a number of different reasons, it's going to inflate your ego, regardless. I'm going to inflate it anyway. So I find it intriguing. It's a beautiful platform. Probably one of the best studio, if not the best studio experience I've ever had. And I felt like this is the perfect environment to sort of encapsulate and put into perspective a number of different ideas I wanted to put out there. So yes, your medium was the epitome of what I idealized. Sometimes you have a vision. It's like a director having an audition. He knows what he wants, but he can't put it into perspective.
He needs other people.
Right, it has to illuminate in the actor's personality or persona. I feel what you do sort of exemplifies that. So now you can take your inflated ego and just ascend into the heavens.
So your vision is my reality?
There we go. Me and my big mouth.
Wow.
The narcissist has taken over the floor. But you know what I mean. I like it.
I know. Well, thank you. Thanks for coming by. I know we had